Hello, everybody. My name is Donatas. Today, I will introduce our company Lazertechas products, what we are producing, and what is our plans for future. I see more than 200 people are connected, so quite big audience. Thank you for your time, and let's start our company presentation. First of all, I would like to explain about this presentation. I will talk about our company products, what we are producing. After that, I will explain to you our main goals for future, and then we will finish our presentation. I will wait from you questions. Please write me on top chat, YouTube, and I will try to answer in all your questions. So let's start our company Lazertechas presentation. Our company was established in 2000. At the moment is working about 34 employees. Manufacturing is about 3,000 square meters. We are proud that we can say that we have all technologies in one place. Our company started our business from laser cutting service. We started our business to sell laser cutting services. 8 years we were selling our services for advertising companies. We was the first company in Lithuania who bring laser machine in Lithuanian market. Our main clients was advertising companies who produced advertising. Here's our office picture and some items what we were cut it and sold to advertising companies. After 8 years, we decided to expand. We saw opportunity to sell plastic products to the market. So we invest in plastic production area. We build up plastic production area. We bought machinery which was needed to produce plastic products in shop fitting field. So we started to produce products. We were buying CNC rotors, lasers, polishing machines. We started to bend, glue, to produce displays for shop fitting field. It was mainly displays, table displays. Of course, after a few years, we started to produce stands, but everything was made from plastic. We bought UV printer and tried to produce fully made displays with all advertising. After 7 years, the market went to eco line. What does it mean? It means that our clients started to ask us, can we produce displays from plywood? So we saw that it is possibility to sell our products just not from plastic, but we need to start produce from wood, some kind of products. So we decided to invest in wood field, in wood manufacturing. We bought many machines which was needed to work with wood. I mean, drilling machines, saw, also CNC rotors, edge bending machines, and so on. I see you are writing hello, hi for everyone. So we decided to produce wood products. So like I mentioned, we opened also a painting area. We started to paint all these kind of products. So after this, we were very flexible because we produced stands, displays from wood and from plastic. So it means that our clients were happy and we were happy as well. Uh, After a few years, we saw that we need to open metal manufacturing because it was hard to work with some of suppliers from our country who can't be so flexible and deliver to us fast some kind of metal products. So we decided to open a metal factory, tube metal factory. So we bought machinery which was need to work with tube metal. So it was welding machines, polishing machines, and we started to produce some parts of metal. Uh, Especially we started to work uh, with the products where was needed more handmade know-how, I could say. So we started to work with stainless steel, we started to work with brass, and these services let us take the project and produce the project, bespoke project. So then we opened this third um, area of manufacturing. So we were more flexible and could go to market, luxury market. So it means that we started to produce showcases, furniture, displays as well, where was many items from wood, metal, or plastic. Uh, After these years, so it was maybe 2 years before, 2 years ago, we started to think where we can expand our business. Some of our clients started to ask us, send inquiries about rigid boxes. And these rigid boxes was made some parts from MDF and some parts from cardboard. And our clients started to ask us, can we start production of rigid boxes for luxury area? And we started to think how we can build up this production area. So we are very happy to say that we got support from Norwegian and Lithuanian fund who let us to build up rigid production, automatic rigid production line. Here in the photo, you can see some pictures, what kind of products could be made, could be produced in our company. I mean, this year, because we are building up, we are finishing build up our production line. So I would like to introduce a little bit in few slides about this fund. Maybe it will be needed for you as well for your project. So our company, together with our partner Praxon, implements the project, which name is Implementation of New Technological Solution for Digitalization and Automation of Production Process for Premium Class Package Manufacturing. Increasing the productivity of packaging production. Finance, according to Norwegian Financial Mechanism Program, the name is Business Development Innovation of Information and Communication Technologies. In all these slides, you will see pictures with items which can be produced in our company. For project implementation funds are allocated from Norwegian financial mechanism and funds from the state budget of Republic of Lithuania. The purpose of the project is to purchase an automated and robotic production line with auxiliary devices in order to develop a new line of activity focused on the production luxury boxes. So the project is implemented with a partner Norwegian company Plexon. The collaboration is expected to offer to the market more environmentally friendly packaging solution that replace plastic. Given the fact that Plexon is focused on the creative design field, it will be able to offer its customers in the Norwegian market who are looking for packaging solution and can buy everything from Lazertechas. The Norwegian Financial Mechanism Program, the name is Business Development Innovation, contributes to the overall purpose of Norwegian financial mechanism, which are to reduce economic and social differences in the European Economic Area and to strengthen bilateral relation between Norway and Lithuania. The main focus of the program is to contribute the creation of greater added value and sustainable economic growth, the competitiveness of Lithuanian companies, and bilateral cooperation between Lithuania and Norwegian companies is encouraged in the fields of green industry innovation. More information about this fund, who helped us to build up this line, you can read in norwaygrants.lt. These few slides was just saying about possibility to get financiation for future. Let's have a look what we bought. I'm just trying to read what you wrote. Hi, hello everyone. Okay, let's go about about possibility and about machinery what we bought. So here, like I mentioned, we bought automatic rigid box production line, and now I will explain a little bit about our possibilities. So here you can see that we can produce cardboard boxes. Minimum size could be 80 to 65 to 15 millimeters. Maximum box size could be 600 to 400 to 150 millimeters. Cardboard thickness will be from 0.8 to 3 millimeters. What I wanted to mention that working speed of our automatic production line will be 25 pieces in a minute. So it will be about 5,000 boxes in a day. Also, we bought automatic machine for tube boxes. So it means that we will have possibility to produce tube boxes. Diameter of tube boxes will be from 40 to 250 millimeters. Paper thickness will be from 1 to 20 millimeters, I mean cardboard. Capacity also from 3 to 20 meters in a minute. Now I would like to introduce areas where our boxes could be sold. After that, yes, you can write me. Now I'm reading that you wrote many comments. Thank you for that. After that, please write me the questions and I will try to answer on it. So, regarding areas where we can sell our products. So, retail stores. Retail stores often require packaging, so for the items such as electronic, cosmetic, or luxury goods. E-commerce platforms, so it means online marketplaces where business sell their products. Many e-commerce sellers require customized packaging options for their products to enhance brand awareness. Gift shops that offer a variety of products suitable for giving occasions. Also, craft stores, customers may purchase rigid boxes for projects or handmade items. Stationery stores, we often sell a range of packaging supplies, including rigid boxes for various purposes. Event planners, event planning companies that require custom rigid boxes for corporate events like weddings or other special occasions. Wholesale distributors who supply packaging materials to various industries, including retail or food and cosmetics. Also, online packaging marketplaces. It's online platforms dedicated to packaging materials where business can browse and purchase packaging solutions. Corporate clients, especially those in industries where presentation and branding are crucial, such as luxury brands or corporate gifting companies. Also, custom and packaging companies who specializing in custom packaging solutions that may require rigid boxes as a part of their offerings. Uh, yes, I think that I present all areas where we are thinking to sell our products. Now I would like to have to see from you some kind of questions which I will try to answer. So please write it in top chat, YouTube top chat, and I will try to explain to these questions. Thank you who are writing beautiful boxes. Yes, we will have really good possibilities to produce luxury made boxes. Okay, the question is what are the minimum quantities? Regarding minimum quantities, of course it depends on the products, but we're thinking that minimum quantities will be about 100 pieces. Do you have web page? Yes, of course. Sorry, I didn't mention. We have web page. You can go www.laser.lt. This is our web page, and you can go there. You can see many samples. And if you will have any questions about that samples, how much does it cost, and from what kind of material it's made, please write us the mail. You will see all information in this page, and we will try to answer to you. Okay, what the next? We'll be able to see samples there. Yes, you can see samples like I mentioned in our web page. Also, you can write to our mail and ask if you have a product, just send it to us and we will send you some samples right away. Okay, what next? What is some fast machinery? Yes, it's fast machinery, and we have big possibilities to produce quite big quantities. Like I mentioned, it's 5,000 pieces in a day. We'll be able to see samples there, yes. And what about delivery time? Okay, delivery time, it depends, of course. Uh, delivery time, it depends of the project, but we are thinking that we will take, for example, from 3 to 5 weeks from the order. So if its quantity is not so big, I think we can talk about this time. You're welcome for answering. Can you put a logo on rigid box using hot stamping? Yes, we can put the logo on the rigid boxes. Regarding hot stamping, so yes, we will have this machinery. We will be able to put the logo with hot stamping machine. Okay, what else? What we have for this information? You're welcome for this information. Yes, please check it, and if you're writing this is something that you need to check. Yes, please check it, and if you will have questions, just write us by mail. I will write on chat our web page. So please have a look. Of course, web pages in this presentation, so you can see again, and we will see. Okay, what next? Can you put logo on rigid boxes? Yes, I answered. Will you produce rigid boxes for jewelry? Yes, we are planning to produce rigid boxes for jewelry. Just you need to keep in mind, like I mentioned, that minimum dimensions of boxes, rigid boxes, which will be produced. So if you will not have very small boxes. So yes, we can produce, because our minimum dimensions, I will repeat, it is 80 millimeters to 65 millimeters and 15 millimeters high. So please keep in mind. But for sure, for bigger ones, we can produce, and we are planning to produce. Are you doing visualization before order? Yes. Usually we are working like that. For example, you can send to us just inquiry. Just you are writing for us what kind of product you have, and we will send to you visualization. Of course, before we will ask to you what kind of box will be suitable for you. So it means we will send to you some items you will choose, and after that we will do visualization. So no problem. I would also like to know regarding visualization. Yeah, so like I mentioned, yeah, we are doing visualization. I would also like to know regarding the can I see the box. Uh, if we are talking about boxes, so yes, we have boxes also in our showroom. We can send to you as well how it looks, that you can touch it. If it's neat, just we need to communicate. Also, what I want to mention regarding materials which we are using. So these kind of rigid boxes are wrapped with some kind of paper with many colors and so on. So before we can agree, for example, colors, what kind of colors you need, and you will choose it from in web page, for example, of colors from our suppliers of materials, and after that we can send you samples. Okay, that's perfect. I plan to launch. Okay, so thank you. Really, I am excited. So many questions. I hope that I answer in all your questions. Okay, let's see, or we will have more. We'll be able. I'm trying to check or I answer in all questions. Okay, moving. Interesting. Thank you. Couldn't agree more. Okay, and seems. Can you? Okay. We have one more questions. Can we produce boxes for watches? Yes. Like I mentioned before, in the middle of presentation, we we started to get inquiries from our clients for boxes, rigid boxes for watches. And some kind of rigid boxes for watch is made some part from MDF, some part from cardboard. So yes, now we will have possibility to produce both of it. If it will be watch boxes just from cardboard, no problem, we can do that. But if it will be from cardboard plus some parts from MDF, we will have possibility to do it. So just let us know what you need, and we will try to produce it, and we'll send you samples for approval. How can I contact you? In our, for example, like me, so in our web page, you will see, I wrote www.laser.lt. You will see our mails. Please send to us the mail with inquiry or just sketch if you have it. It doesn't matter, and we will answer in all your questions. How fast you can deliver to Sweden? Can you deliver all over the world? Yes, we can deliver to all over the world. It's not a problem. Lithuania is in very good location, so we have port, so it's not a problem. We are producing at the moment products and sending, for example, in United States or in other countries. Uh, how fast in Sweden? In Sweden, Sweden is near us. I could say like neighbors. We are loading the goods on Friday and Monday they are getting. So Sweden, Norway, Finland, it's not a problem, it's near us. If we are talking about United States, so yes, it takes time a little bit, but like I mentioned, we have port or we can deliver by plane, no problem. Okay, so I see that everything is, I answer on all questions. You're welcome. So thank you very much for your time. We will wait inquiries from you. Please visit our webpage www.laser.lt and hope see you soon.